Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, high magic and lightning modifiers, then enter the super pit immediately to start the spawn cycle. Move to the northern alcove and defeat the first wave to trigger the hidden spawn timer. Do this fast because the Thunderbolt trigger window is short. Once done, save MP with physical hits where possible, and make sure to use one lightning boosting buff before the second wave. This increases drop chance and primes the enemy that can teach or drop Thunderbolt. Now focus on the specific enemy that yields Thunderbolt. Isolate and bait its spawn using lanterns or lures if available. You want to apply lightning buff, then stagger with quick, low MP spells so the enemy stays alive long enough for the trigger to register. Once damaged, switch to high crit physicals to finish. This sequencing raises the chance for the Thunderbolt learn/drop. Make sure to monitor the spawn timer and keep positioning so other mobs don't steal the kill. Finish the encounter by immediately collecting the drop or using the teach command if the enemy can be learned from. Act quickly so no one else picks it up. Once done, confirm Thunderbolt is in your spell list or inventory. If you fail, reset the super pit by leaving and re-entering to respawn the correct enemy, then repeat the buff then burst sequence. If problems persist, re-equip lightning gear and double-check you targeted the correct enemy archetype, because wrong targets will never yield Thunderbolt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.